Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to use Spring Jdbc template to connect to an in-memory database and extract all the records. Here, we make use of dependencies like JDBC, JPA, H2 and web from Spring initializr. We are going to create a table named employee and populate the table during the starting of the application. Our ultimate aim is to execute select star statement using Spring Jdbc template and extract all records. This is a very preliminary and basic example and will be useful for those who are beginning with Spring Jdbc. Let us begin with this exercise. These are all the Spring initializer dependencies that we are going to use in this project. I am going to create a new class. The name of the class is employee DAO, and I am once again going to create a new pojo with name employee. We have the application.properties file. Here I am going to give the server.port and the other properties that are related to the in-memory database. I am once again creating a new file with the name data.sql. This file contains the actual SQL queries to create a database and to insert some values initially. So this file or this set of SQL statements will be executed as soon as the application is started. I am creating a table with the name employee. Having the primary key as ID, and I am inserting few records in that. Just entering some random values. After entering, I will save this file and try to execute. So by default we have given the server.port as 1122, so the application will be running in the port 1122. I'm giving a local host /h2 console. Here we will be getting the h2 console, and I am giving connect. There we can see the table employee, and these are all the records that we inserted using the SQL statements in the data.sql file. Now we have created the table and populated. Now I am opening the employee Pojo class, and here I will be creating the fields ID, name and salary. Okay, and then here we are supposed to create constructors and getters and setters. I am opening the DAO file. Creating a find all method to collect all the records. And it will be returning a list of objects. Since we are going to extract the records using JDBC template, I will be declaring the JDBC template object, and I will do the auto wiring. I will do the dependency injection. Then we go for the template dot query, and inside the query we will be giving the actual select statement, select star from employee, and the second argument will be a row mapper, and here we will be making use of the default row mapper, which is of type employee.class. Yes. And I am going to the main application. And I am implementing a command line runner. So here I will be auto wiring the DAO class. I am adding the unimplemented methods. I will be having an output statement. So in the next output statement we will write the statements to extract all the records, that is like a DAO dot find all. So if we give find all, it won't like it will be giving some unreadable form. So I am creating a toString method. Yes, if everything is set fine, we can run this code. Some error happened. Okay, it is coming from the DAO class. Okay, I got it. So in the DAO class, we are supposed to give an annotation. It will be a @repository. Now it is fine. It will execute now without any error. See, when you see at the end of the logs, we can see the records that we have entered in the in-memory database at the beginning. So we can compare here. So these three records will be present there only. So restarting the database and just checking one more time that these three records only are present here.